Alright guys, headed back to Las Vegas to meet up with the Essilor-Luxottica Nuance audio team for their new over-the-counter eyeglass hearing aids. Check them out, see how far they've come. Let's go. Essilor-Luxottica's Nuance audio division has been working day and night on their OTC eyeglass hearing aid technology that is designed to help you hear better in noisy situations. By using directional microphone technology built right into the frames of their glasses, they are able to help you separate speech from the person you are facing from the background noise that's around you. And they have come a long way since I tested their initial prototype in Milan, Italy nearly a year ago. In fact, this is my third time checking out the progress of their eyeglass hearing aids, because back in January of 2024, I met up with the Nuance audio team in Las Vegas for the Consumer Electronics Show, and it was impressive to see what they had done in the 4 short months since my trip to Italy. Now I'm back in Vegas for Vision Expo West to see how far their technology has come in the past 8 months, and I could not be more excited. This was my third trip to Las Vegas in the past 9 months, all of them staying at the Venetian, and super grateful that I was able to avoid food poisoning this time, which pretty much derailed my trip to CES back in January. Entering the registration area, it felt eerily similar to any other expo, but being an audiologist and having attended dozens of hearing and technology expos, this is definitely my first time picking up a badge to attend an expo focused on vision. I am pretty sure that's a pun. Yeah, that's a pun. As I walked up to the Essilor-Luxottica booth, it was exciting to see all the interest around the combination of vision and hearing technology, blurring the lines between vision care and hearing care, and yes, that is another pun. It had to be one of the most popular booths at the expo area during the time that I was there, and pretty cool to see so many vision care professionals taking an interest in this new eyeglass hearing aid technology, with most of them being completely shocked that they were hearing aids because to everyone, they looked like typical eyeglasses. Of course, I was even more interested in getting my hands on them myself to see the changes they made to the glasses and to their app. And I pretty much tested every capability of these devices, including their directional microphone mode and new omnidirectional microphone mode, along with different amounts of noise reduction and program presets for different mild to moderate hearing loss configurations. I also got a chance to catch up with Davide Delena, the Global Marketing Director for Nuance Audio at Essilor-Luxottica, and Matteo Dondero, the Super Audio Program Manager at Essilor-Luxottica, to get an update on all the improvements they've made in their technology since the last time that we met.
The major updates are related mainly to the software side. So kind of glasses, the hardware is going to be the same of 6 months ago. So you know, totally invisible, 43 grams, microphone spread in the front and in the temple, 2-directional speaker, and then the software inside which is doing the job. We have been working last 9 months, especially on the update of firmware to improve performance of the product, and especially on the new app.
As you can see here, the app is pretty simple. There is what we call home page, home screen, where you can control basically all the basic functionalities, or the core functionalities. The presets are in the core, in the center of the home page, with the 4 preset A, B, C, D, that enables the customer, the patient, to go through the different presets depending by the environment or the needs in terms of hearing loss.
Yeah, I think that was an interesting thing when I was doing my demoing here in this really noisy environment. Certain people's voices I might do better with preset A, other people's voices maybe preset D, depending on how much noise there is, maybe switching to preset B or preset C. So it can be dependent on the individual with their level of hearing loss they have, which is how those were designed, but also just the perception. Like if you perceive that you're getting better audibility and better hearing from one, you can easily switch into them because it's right on the home screen here. Thank you so much for sharing with us the app. I'm sure I'll be able to get more close-ups on that for you guys and kind of walk you through it as I get a chance to review these here, hopefully in the near future. So hey, thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Yep. But the true test was walking around the expo to hear how much of a difference they made in background noise while on the move, as well as during lunch in a noisy Italian restaurant. And I know what you're thinking. Yes, me and the Italians went to an Italian restaurant in Las Vegas. And all I have to say is I love these eyeglass hearing aids just as much as I did the last time I got to check them out. But with the added app customizations, I had a much better ability to customize the sound based on my environment and noise levels. The most noticeable improvement was the extended battery life, which gave us over 8 hours of battery life with several hours to spare, compared to the 3 hours of battery life on the initial prototype that I tested. This really is something you need to experience for yourself, whether you have normal hearing or a mild to moderate hearing loss, if you want to hear better in background noise. So stay tuned, because when available, your vision or hearing care professional will be able to give you an immersive experience inside of their office for you to hear them for yourself. Really, my only two complaints were that these prototypes did not have my eyeglass prescription in them, so my vision was a little off while I was testing them out. But the worst part of it is that I had to actually give the glasses back, knowing that I'll have to wait just like everybody else before I can get a pair of them for myself so I can wear them all the time. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. It was really cool to check and see how far they've come with their product. It was really great to meet with the EssilorLuxottica Nuance Audio team as well. Now, if you guys want to learn more about these eyeglass hearing aids, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on, because as soon as I am able to, I'm going to do a detailed review of this product on the channel. And it never hurts to give a thumbs up if you're up to it. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.